How to create a partial invoice on QuickBooks. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a partial invoice on QuickBooks. So kindly watch to the end, okay? The first step is to sign in into your QuickBooks account just like I have done here, and then once you're signed in, it will be brought to your home page automatically. Then once you're on this page, you can see several options at least on your home screen, and then once you click on cash flow, you'll see your profit as well as your expenses. Now, creating a partial invoice in QuickBooks allows you to bill a customer for a portion of the total amount due. And to do that, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a navigation bar. Under your logo, you can see the plus icon. Once you see this, click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you'll see three rows, namely customers, vendors, team, and then others. Let's go ahead. Under the customer option, ensure you click on invoice. Now, the reason for that is that for you to be able to create a partial invoice, you have to follow the same procedure that you would follow in creating a new invoice. So now, by selecting the invoice, the next step is to add name of the customer here, the customer email, the billing address, the terms, invoice dates, due dates, tags. Then under the product's description, just go ahead and clearly state the payment terms. All right, states the payment terms, okay, so the person can understand that it's for a partial amount. And then once you've created the statement description, add the quantity, add lines, clear all lines, add attachments if needed, etc. Click on save, then also click on save and send, and then the invoice will be sent to the customer. Then after that, you would receive your partial payment. Okay, so after you've received your partial payments, the next step is to go back to your home screen. Okay, so on this screen, the next thing to do is move to the left side of the screen again, and then click on the plus button under the logo. And then on this page, you can see several options too. Just move to the customers options and click on receive payment. Okay, so after clicking on receive payment, you'll be redirected to the page where you can now edit your receive payment page. So yeah, the next step is to enter the customer's name, email, invoice number, payment amount, reference number, etc. So the next step is to now enter in all of the required details, and then once you've done that, after doing that, the next step is to move to the right side of the screen here and type out the amount that was received. This is very important. Type out the amount that was received, and then once you're done, click on save and close, and then just like that, it will be recorded that you created a partial invoice on QuickBooks for this particular customer. So this is how it works, okay? Ensure you try this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.